Hello, everybody. I am Nicki Minaj. You know, Nicki Minaj. And y'all know I be rapping with the Gettin, man. Yeah. Brr. So, you know, I'm just trying to get out on YouTube because I know my beat is just a little bit messed up. But I just want to be on the YouTube to, like, show Bobby Valentino that I could have been in the video. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So here we go. Hold on, y'all. My YouTube ain't uploaded 10. Cause y'all know I got a studio, but my studio is right now is broke. My studio is broke right now, so y'all know. Nicki Minaj about to put this down. Sorry, I've been eyeing you. You know I wanna come and get high with you. You know I can't drink no more. Sorry, I wanna get with you. Sorry, you been peeping me. I can smell you in my weave and see. I can smell that pancake I had 2 weeks ago. So I'm gonna, excuse me, ma'am, sexy can I please put that double quarter pounder that you ate off? So give me that right now, now. I wanna eat it too. I'm gonna bite it. You're gonna feed it. You're gonna throw it in my weave. You know I was looking in you. I wanna get in your G. Frying me. I know you wanna be like frying me. You know you wanna make me some chicken. I'm gonna take to my spot like go. Stop. Go. Girl, you wanna see me? You know I got them. You know I got on that cool G. It is so sexy, see, but you wanna see my weed. You know it's in all up in your face. I was like, beep. You wanna hear me? Eat. But baby, I can eat it all. Honey, do you want the leftover spaghetti that you made like 5 weeks ago? But you can't see me, because baby, you know me, Miami. I know you wanna think about frying me. You know you wanna give me some cholesterol. Y'all know I was like boom. I was like chomp, boom. Baby, you know, yeah, beep. I'm gonna back that up on you. Cause you know I wear them double CCE. Girl, you know I am wearing my granny panties. Go. Cause I know I be stunting on you, oh. Cause I know I am rich, I got 40 cents. Ooh, make that 50 cents. Cause you know, me and 50 Cent, we was together. And you know I ate off his plate. And I was like, ooh, baby. But you know that I got 50 cents. But I just sucked another dime. You wanna see my money too? Now let me flash it in your face. Ooh, beep. Y'all know Nicki Minaj, y'all. Y'all know me and Gucci gonna be on the next CD set. Yeah, Gucci baby. Nicki Minaj, get at me, homie. You wanna see me? This gonna be on your next CD that you buy. No, make this gonna be on your 8 track. Those is my my Chinese niggas.